My name is Junkun He, and I'm going to perform a monologue called City Slickers. If you're looking for a midlife crisis ramble, City Slickers has got you covered. Things plummet down a darkly funny path as details the honor of going old. Value this time in your life, kids, because this is the time in your life when you still have your choices. And it goes so fast. When you are a teenager, you think you can do anything. And you do it. Your 20s is a blur. So when you turn 30s, you raise your family, you make a little money, and you think to yourself, what happened to my 20s?